Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And very quickly today, I will show you guys how to change the color of your shirt in Photoshop or your dress in Photoshop. Let's say you have a picture and you have a blue shirt on and you want to change the color of the shirt to a red or a purple or any other color at all. Yeah, that is totally possible with Photoshop. So that's what I'll be showing you guys today. So without much further ado, let's roll in the intro. All right, so we have a beautiful picture of Abby Connect here. I'm sure most of you will know her. So we are trying to change the color of our suits that we have here. So there are several ways to do that on Photoshop, but I'm going to show us one of the easiest ways to go about it. So you want to come to your adjustment layer, then you come to your hue and saturation. Then you click this icon to sample the color of the clothes, of the parts of the clothes I want to change. So once you do that, you can see that it has changed to magenta. So you can just play with the slide here to change the color of the clothes. So let's say we are satisfied with this color, then you can play with the saturation, whether you want it unsaturated or even more saturated, just like that. And you can play with the lightness as well if you want it darker or even brighter. So this is one of the methods in which you can change the color of your clothes in Photoshop. So now I'm sure you know how to change the color of any clothes in Photoshop now. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do so and make sure you share with your friends as well. I think that's all on today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.